Are you tired of buying an IKEA sofa only to find out it feels like sitting on a pile of bricks, or worse, falls apart in 6 months? Today, we are settling the debate once and for all by ranking the absolute best IKEA sofas you can buy right now. From budget-friendly space savers to luxurious statement pieces, we're counting down the top 7 IKEA sofas to find the ultimate winner. Stick around until number 1, because the best all-around sofa currently sitting in their catalog completely surprised me, and it might just be the exact piece you have been desperately searching for to complete your home. 7. SALTSJÖBADEN. I brought the SALTSJÖBADEN into the studio because the bright white Blekingé fabric gives off an incredible coastal breezy vibe that instantly catches your eye when walking through the IKEA showroom. It looks like the kind of sofa you would find in a high-end seaside cottage, boasting a relaxed slip-covered aesthetic that promises casual, easygoing comfort. The design feels intentionally laid back, which is exactly what drew me to it initially when searching for a sofa that felt a little less rigid and structured. When it comes to its features, the main selling point of this couch is the entirely washable slipcover. If you have kids, pets, or just a tendency to spill your evening glass of wine, being able to strip the entire couch and toss it into the washing machine is a massive relief. The fabric itself is quite breathable, and the loose back cushions allow you to easily rearrange them for personalized lower back support. It genuinely feels like a versatile, low-stress piece for a busy, messy household. I spent a full week using this as my primary lounging spot to see how it held up to daily life, reading books and watching movies. The seating depth is decent, allowing you to curl your legs up comfortably while scrolling through your phone. The armrests are at a very nice height for resting your head if you decide to take a quick afternoon nap. And the overall frame feels relatively sturdy for the entry-level price point. However, my experience quickly soured once the honeymoon phase wore off, as the seat cushions are unbelievably underwhelming and frustrating. After just a few days of consistent use, I noticed the internal foam started to compress and permanently lose its shape, leaving me feeling the rigid wooden frame right underneath my legs. 6. JÄTTEBO. This sofa is practically begging to be the centerpiece of a modern, eclectic living room, offering a visually striking profile that doesn't look anything like your typical, boring IKEA furniture. The dark yellow-green Samsala cover is vibrantly saturated and adds a beautiful, earthy texture that brings a lot of personality to any space it occupies. The modularity is easily its strongest technical feature, allowing you to buy individual seating modules and connect them in whatever configuration fits your specific room dimensions. What I found incredibly clever during my testing is that every single seating module contains a completely hidden storage compartment underneath the cushion. You simply lift the seat pad and you have a massive deep space to hide away extra blankets, board games, or seasonal clothing, making it an absolute dream for small apartments. Sitting on the JÄTTEBO is an experience in extreme lounging because the seats are exceptionally deep, almost resembling a twin bed. This is definitely not a sofa for sitting upright with perfect posture. It is explicitly designed for pulling your feet up, sinking back, and completely sprawling out during a long movie marathon. The lack of traditional armrests on some of the modules emphasizes this open, daybed-like feel that encourages you to treat it more like a giant, plush island in the middle of your living room. Unfortunately, this extreme depth is exactly where the JÄTTEBO begins to fall apart for practical, everyday use. If you are under 6 feet tall, you physically cannot sit back against the cushions while keeping your feet flat on the floor, which becomes incredibly uncomfortable and awkward when you have formal guests over. 5. VISKAFORS. This is where we start seeing a massive shift toward genuine quality and classic, reliable comfort. The moment I assembled this sofa, I was struck by its commanding, heavy presence. It has a beautiful, slightly retro mid-century aesthetic, mixed with traditional English roll-arm elements. The laged anthracite brown fabric gives it a sophisticated, highly tailored look that feels vastly more expensive and luxurious than its standard IKEA price tag would ever suggest. The comfort level on the VISKAFORS is a significant step up from our previous contenders, providing a truly premium sitting experience. It utilizes a combination of supportive pocket springs and highly resilient foam in the seat cushions, which provides an enveloping feel that gently hugs you as you sit down. During my week of testing, I found that it struck a fantastic balance, giving enough sink for long lounging sessions while maintaining enough bounce to help you stand back up effortlessly without struggling. The generously deep seats and high armrests work together to create a cozy cocoon-like environment that is absolutely perfect for curling up into the corner with a hot cup of coffee. I particularly appreciate the wider proportions of this sofa. It feels incredibly substantial and grounded, providing plenty of room for two adults to stretch out without ever feeling cramped. The beautifully turned wooden legs lift it just high enough off the ground to allow for easy vacuuming underneath, which is a subtle but highly appreciated practical detail for keeping your house clean. While I genuinely enjoy the VISKAFORS, it does have a slight learning curve when it comes to the height of those aforementioned armrests. Because they are quite tall and rigid by design, resting your neck directly against them for a nap can be a bit stiff unless you generously pad the corners with plush throw pillows. 4. ÄPPLARYD. This sofa caught my attention with its incredibly sleek, low-profile silhouette and perfectly tailored lines that look like they were pulled straight from a high-end Italian design studio. The stark contrast between the soft, laged gray-black fabric and the slender, industrial steel legs gives it a beautiful floating effect that instantly makes any room feel significantly larger and more open. When I started testing the ÄPPLARYD, I was initially quite worried that its incredibly thin profile would mean heavily compromising on comfort, but I was pleasantly surprised. The seat cushions are integrated directly into the frame rather than being loose, providing a firm, highly supportive sitting experience that completely eliminates the annoying issue of sliding or shifting cushions. It naturally promotes excellent posture, making it an ideal sofa for entertaining guests with drinks or sitting comfortably for hours while working from your laptop. The seamless addition of the chaise lounge on this specific model elevates the lounging experience significantly, providing that highly coveted spot to stretch your legs completely out. I found myself naturally gravitating toward the chaise side every single evening, as it offers the absolute perfect angle for watching television or unwinding after a long, stressful day. The seat depth across the rest of the sofa is perfectly calibrated, neither too shallow nor awkwardly deep, making it highly accessible and comfortable for people of all heights and sizes. The only slight hesitation I have with the ÄPPLARYD is that its firm, architecturally structured nature means it isn't the kind of messy sink-into-a-cloud sofa some people deeply crave. 3. FRIHETEN Sleeper Sofa. There is a very good reason you have likely seen this exact couch in countless apartments, guest rooms, and college dorms across the entire world. It features a straightforward, highly practical, no-nonsense design wrapped in the incredibly durable JÄTTEBO dark gray fabric, presenting a clean, versatile look that seamlessly blends into almost any interior decor style without screaming for attention. The true magic of the FRIHETEN lies in its unmatched daily utility and brilliant transformational capabilities. During my hands-on testing, I was completely blown away by how effortlessly the front panel pulls out and pops up to convert this standard-looking compact sofa into a remarkably spacious, flat bed. The mechanical hardware operates smoothly on built-in glides, allowing you to transition from a daytime living room setup to a fully functional guest bedroom in less than 10 seconds, which is an absolute game-changer for hosting friends or family. Comfort-wise, this sofa leans intentionally toward the firmer side of the spectrum, which is actually a massive hidden benefit given its dual-purpose nature. As a sofa, the firm seat cushions provide excellent, rigid support that won't leave your lower back aching after a long movie marathon. When converted into a bed, that exact same firmness expertly mimics the feel of a traditional orthopedic mattress, ensuring your overnight guests actually get a highly decent night's sleep instead of sinking into a miserable, lopsided foam pit. Beyond the excellent sleeping arrangements, the FRIHETEN also heavily shines in its day-to-day, long-term durability. The textured JÄTTEBO fabric feels almost entirely bulletproof, easily resisting deep snags, heavy stains, and the general chaotic wear and tear of a highly active household. 2. BÅRSLÖV. When I first laid eyes on this sofa, the beautifully soft Tibleby beige gray fabric immediately gave off a warm, heavily inviting glow that feels far cozier than the sterile flat grays often found in budget-friendly furniture. It has a slightly more rounded, softer overall aesthetic that makes you instantly want to drop whatever you are doing and take a seat. Testing the BÅRSLÖV was an absolute joy because it directly addresses the single main complaint people always have with traditional sleeper sofas: the unforgiving stiffness. The seat cushions on this specific model are noticeably thicker and much more forgiving, utilizing a wonderfully plush top layer of foam that provides an immediate, highly satisfying sink-in feeling. It miraculously manages to deliver the plush, lazy lounging experience of a premium living room sofa, while secretly hiding a fully functional, highly sturdy bed inside its frame, offering a dedicated lounging zone that makes lazy Sunday mornings infinitely better and vastly more relaxing. But the real magic genuinely happens when you lift that chaise up to reveal a cavernous, brilliantly hidden storage compartment underneath. I managed to easily fit 2 incredibly thick winter duvets, 4 full-sized bed pillows, and a large stack of spare linens in there with plenty of room to spare. It is a brilliant use of normally dead space that actively helps keep your living area completely clutter-free. Converting the BÅRSLÖV into a sleeping space is just as wonderfully intuitive and seamless as the FRIHETEN, but the actual sleeping experience is undeniably superior due to the heavily enhanced cushion thickness. Your overnight guests will barely even realize they are sleeping on a pull-out couch rather than a dedicated guest bed. 1. FRIHETEN Corner Sofa. This is the larger, L-shaped big sibling to our number 3 pick, and it expertly takes everything that made the original design so great and multiplies it to create the ultimate, unbeatable living room powerhouse. Draped in the highly resilient JÄTTEBO dark gray fabric, it boasts a substantial, visually anchoring presence that immediately makes any room feel like a complete, highly cohesive home. What makes this corner sofa the clear, undeniable winner is how masterfully it maximizes the actual square footage footprint of your living room. The large and L-shaped design naturally creates an intimate, highly conversational seating arrangement that comfortably accommodates a full family of 4 or 5 without anyone ever invading each other's personal space. During my extended, rigorous testing, it quickly became the undeniable hub of the house, providing the absolute perfect structure for socializing, eating, and deeply relaxing all in one highly centralized location. The brilliant pop-up trundle mechanism rapidly transforms this expansive corner sofa into a massive wall-to-wall flat lounging platform. I found myself frequently pulling the hidden bed section out not just for sleeping, but for epic family movie nights where literally everyone could fully extend their legs and get incredibly comfortable together. It essentially turns your entire living room into a giant, heavily padded playground. The physical transition is incredibly fluid, and the resulting surface area is wonderfully flat, highly supportive, and free of annoying dips. Much like the BÅRSLÖV, the entire chaise section of the FRIHETEN Corner sofa easily lifts up to reveal an absolutely enormous deep storage vault.